Hello everybody, it's Michael Alder from rawlandinvestments.com, and in this video I'm going to cover the top 5 places you could buy affordable land to go off the grid and to place your tiny house on. Now this research was done based on land being super affordable, taxes being extremely low, and abundance to land, wildlife, everything you could need to actually go off the grid or just to drop a tiny house and make it your vacation home seasonally. So let's dive right into this. The first one is Florida. Now, contrary to what a lot of people believe, you can actually go off the grid in Florida, and land is super affordable there as long as you're not buying it in the big areas like Naples, Miami, things like that. Central Florida land is ridiculously cheap, and outside of all the cities, you can also get great deals on it. Taxes are super low too. You have an abundance of water and wildlife, so you could actually go off the grid and not a shortage of sunlight if you want to go solar. Next one is California. Now, more specifically, Northern California and Southeast California are going to be the two great places where you can get land super affordable. You have all the resources there. Taxes are extremely low as well. So Northern Cali and Southeast Cali. Next one is Arizona. Land across the board in Arizona is super affordable, except for like Scottsdale and Phoenix. But anything outside of that, you could really go off the grid there. You could drop a tiny house, and your taxes in most cases on your lots are going to be under $20 a year. The scenery is amazing there as well, too. Next one is Maine. Now, I bet you Maine is absolutely amazing in the summertime, but I am not a cold guy. I hate the winter. I live in Cleveland and can't stand the winters, but, you know, beautiful scenery, lots of wildlife and abundance of water. So yeah, Maine is one of the top places to go off the grid. And finally, Texas. Texas is huge, same scenario. You could go off the grid there. Lots of land outside of all the cities, desert land. You could set up shop and just disappear, get away from it all, or just make it your seasonal getaway spot for a couple weeks at a time. Drop an affordable tiny house on it and just get away and detox from the every day-to-day grind there. So those are my top 5 places that you can go to go off the grid. Cheap land, cheap taxes, and all the resources for you. Be sure to stop by rawlandinvestments.com, as we have a lot of parcels available in these areas you could pick up for an absolute steal. And we also recently partnered with a tiny house company. So if you check the description box, you can see all the blueprints we have available so you could build your own tiny home and go off the grid if you like. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.